Flir Systems is the world leader for thermal imaging cameras. Thermal imaging cameras are used for a wide variety of applications. Flir Systems markets a full range of thermal imaging cameras for the most demanding maritime applications. Flir thermal imaging cameras are installed on pleasure craft and yachts, commercial vessels, workboats, fishing boats, cruise ships and many other types of vessel. They help to navigate in all circumstances, detect other vessels, assist in man-overboard searches, secure vessels in harbour and on the open sea. Thermal imaging cameras need no light whatsoever to create a crisp image based on subtle differences in temperature called heat signatures. Everything in our environment has a heat signature. Even ice cubes. Warmer objects appear white, colder objects appear black. Thermal imaging is not the same as using night vision goggle. Night vision goggles only work if at least some light, like moonlight or starlight, is present. They amplify small amounts of visible light so that objects can be seen at night. Thermal imaging works by detecting the heat energy being radiated and needs no light at all. A thermal imaging camera allows you to see in total darkness. You can clearly see channel markers, shipping lane traffic, outcrops of land, bridge pilings, exposed rocks, other vessels, and any other floating object that might damage your ship when undetected. Also, ice can be seamlessly detected with a thermal imaging camera. Thermal imaging is also used for detecting oil spills. Even small objects that might not be detected by radar, such as floating debris, will become clearly visible on a thermal image. A shipboard environment can be very isolated and vulnerable. Security is important. Thanks to a thermal imaging camera, you can monitor activity in port or at anchor and see approaching vessels without alerting them that they're being watched. Thermal imaging cameras can also complement existing systems like radar. Thanks to thermal imaging, you'll be able to see what that blip on your radar screen really means. Thermal imaging can also help to locate and track a person in the water before it's too late. Flir Systems, the world leader for thermal imaging, markets a full range of cameras which are especially developed for maritime applications. Flir MD series are affordable, fixed-mount thermal night vision systems. Once installed, they always look in the same direction. They help with navigating around obstacles, collision avoidance, and finding people in the water at night. Simple to mount and easy to integrate into your existing electronics, MD series outputs standard analog video that can be easily displayed on any monitor at the helm or other monitors on the vessel. The MD series produces crisp thermal images of 640 by 480 pixels. Users who do not need this high image quality can choose a 320 by 240 pixel version. Flir Systems M series are premium multi-sensor systems. Packaged in a small, ultra-compact gimbal, they've been developed for maritime applications. Most M series are equipped with both a thermal imaging camera and a low-light camera. The thermal imaging camera is the perfect tool for navigating in the darkest of nights, needing no light whatsoever to produce a crisp image. The low-light camera can be used when at least some light, like moonlight or environmental light, is present. It provides enhanced navigational abilities during twilight hours and for docking inside a marina. Anywhere you can see a little, the low-light camera will help you to see more. When too much light is present, the image of the low-light camera can become oversaturated. Just switch to the thermal camera to see more detail. A version with a thermal imaging camera only is also available. The M series are available in multiple versions. Both 640 by 480 and 320 by 240 pixels image quality are available. A gyro-stabilized version, the M618CS, is also available. The M series comes standard with an intuitive joystick control unit or JCU. It allows the camera to rotate 360 degrees horizontal and plus or minus 90 degrees vertically. This offers excellent situational awareness. All M-Series features are easily accessible over the JCU. The M-Series are extremely easy to install on new or existing vessels. They can be mounted ball up or ball down. A menu setting allows the user to turn the direction of the image on the screen. The images from the M-Series 320 by 240 pixel or 640 by 480 pixel detector can be displayed on virtually any existing multifunction display that accepts composite video. Voyager is a powerful multi-sensor mid-range thermal night vision system. It features 2 thermal imaging cameras and 1 daylight or low-light camera. At the heart of the Voyager's multi-sensor system are 2 thermal imaging cameras. A wide-angle camera that gives you a continuous broad overview of your surroundings and a telephoto camera that lets you view objects at long ranges. Voyager's unique combination of optical and electronic magnification allows you to zoom seamlessly between the 2 thermal imaging cameras. Or a telephoto image can be nested inside a wide-angle image. It gives you a broad view of your immediate surroundings with greater detail of distant objects in the center of the screen. Voyager also has a color video camera. It works like 2 cameras in one. A daylight camera that gives you clear, sharp images in bright sunlight, and a low-light camera that automatically adjusts to let you see in the half-light of dusk or dawn. They are ideal for reading distant channel markers, identifying other vessels, evaluating activity on board other vessels while underway or in port, and checking out hazardous inlets. The Voyager can pan 360 degrees continuously and tilt plus or minus 60 degrees. It provides a steady image in practically any sea state. The Flir Systems Voyager is extremely easy to handle. It comes standard with a remote control panel with integrated joystick. The joystick allows the captain to pan or tilt the Voyager in the desired direction and allows access to all Voyager features. The Voyager can also be connected to a radar. It can be equipped with an optional radar tracker that automatically points the Voyager to objects found by the radar and tracks them. Flir MU-MV series are ultra-long-range multi-sensor thermal night vision systems. Flir MU series is the most technologically advanced thermal night vision system available to the maritime industry today. It's a powerful gyro-stabilized, multi-sensor, long-range thermal night vision system. The MU602CLW includes a cooled mid-wave, high-resolution 640 by 512 thermal camera. It has a 14 times optical zoom between a 28